Hello students, welcome back to the channel Maths Insider. Today's topic is about linear equation, money problem, notes and coins of pair of linear equation of two variables. So what you will going to learn from this video, identify the variable correctly, that is will assign to the notes and the coins which are involved in the problem, and secondly we will learn about how to form the equations from the number of notes and coins. So there will be two equations. So one is from the number of notes and coins that will be there in the problem, and third is the equation from the values of notes and coins. So this will be the second equation that will form. Then we'll go by step problem solving methods, and finally the important tips that we'll see in the exams. And these questions are extremely common in CBSE examination because they test whether you can convert a real life situation into the mathematical equations. So let's get started. So this is a very important chapter. We have already learned the H problem, so you just watch the video till the end. Now every money problem is based on two facts. So this is the money problem. So we'll consider the notes and the coins which are involved in the money while we do the transactions. Now fact 1 is total number of notes or coins, number of notes and coins. So that is fact number 1. Now this will give one equation. So from the number of notes or coins we'll get one equation. Since there is a pair of equations, so one of the equation we'll get from the number of notes and coins. What is the fact number 2? The value of the notes or coins. So one is the number of notes and coins, and another is the value of the notes or coin. So this will give another equation from the pair of linear equation. So once we have these two equations in place for a given pair of linear equations of two variable, we can solve them using any methods, whether it is elimination method or substitution method or even the cross multiplication method, whatever we have learned so far. Now let's understand with an example. So if this concept is clear, number of notes and coins and value of notes and coins and how to frame it, it will be very easy to handle this kind of problems. So suppose the number of 10 rupees note is equal to X. So we are now assigning the variable, and number of 20 rupees notes is say Y. If there are 25 notes together, so if 10 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes, total number of this 10 rupees and 20 rupees becomes 25. So equation 1 becomes very simple. Total number of notes is nothing but X plus Y, which is equal to 25. So this is the number concept. Now if the total value is given by say 380 rupees, 380. Now this includes the value of 10 rupees note and value of 20 rupees note. Now then the equation will get the second equation, and what is that? 10 times X plus 20 times Y, that becomes equal to 380. So X is number of 10 rupees note and Y is number of 20 rupees notes. This is important. So these are the two very important concept, and we are putting into equations and we will solve. Now example 1. So now with this concept, let's take an example and solve it, and now we will be applying step-by-step method to solve it. Now a wallet contains only 10 rupees notes and the 20 rupees notes. There are total 25 notes. So in a wallet there is 10 rupees notes and there will be 20 rupees notes, and total number of notes is 25, and they worth rupees 380. Find the number of 10 rupees notes and the 20 rupees notes. So this is the problem given. Now let's solve it step by step using the concept that we have learned so far. Solution. Step 1, what we have to do? We have to assign or set the variable to the number of notes or coins given in the problems. So here the notes. So let's number of 10 rupees notes equal to say x, and number of 20 rupees notes is say y. It's clear. We set the variable to the number of, to the 10 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes. Now step number 2, forming equation 1. Now how we will form? So here we will consider total number of notes. So what is the total number of notes? X plus y equal to 25. We consider the equation 1. See, from the statement it is 10 rupees notes and 20 rupees. How much are they? 25. This is the number in total. So considering that, we are framing the equation x plus y. Now step number 3, forming second equation. And here what we will do, 10x plus 20y is equal to 380. So this is x is number of 10 rupees note, and here number of 20 rupees notes. So from the statement it's worth 380. So this is the total value of the notes. So this is the second equation. So here we are considering the values. So step 2 is numbers, step 3 is the value. Now step 4, solve the pair of the above equation using any methods. Let's solve the equations. So what we have, x plus y, which is equal to 25, equation 1, and we have 10x plus 10y, which is equal to 380. Now for the equation 2, we can divide it both left hand side and right hand side by 10 to simplify it further, which give us x plus y equal to 38, which is equation 2. So we have x plus 2y, that is 10x plus 20y. So then it become x plus 2y equal to 38. Now we have two equation. Now first we check for the conditions. So we are learning from very beginning. So let's see whether this feasible solution or not. So a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 2, 1, b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 2. So a1 by a1 is 1 by 1 is 1, b1 by b2 is half. So they are not equal. So we'll be getting unique solution. And what method we'll be using? We'll be using here elimination method to solve the pair of equations, and it will give us unique solution. So this we have to verify it first. So x plus y equal to 25, equation 1, x plus 2y equal to 38, that is equation 2, and we are using the elimination method. So how we are doing? We are subtracting it. By that way x gets eliminated. We are with minus 2y plus y is minus y, minus 38 plus 25 is minus 13, and the minus from both the side get cancelled, and we will be getting y equal to 13. So easy. Now let's find x from equation 1 by substituting the value of y. So x plus y is equal to 25, or x equal to 13, x plus 13 equal to 25, and x equal to 25 minus 13, which will give us 12. So x become equal to 12. Now let's verify it. This is the final step. So we have 12 into 10, 12 number of 10 rupees notes, which will give us rupees 120. This is the value of 10 rupees notes. Now there are 13 number of 20 rupees notes, which give us 13 into 20, that is 260. This is the value of 20 rupees notes. So now add together, it will give us rupees 380, and this 380 is there in the statement. Total value of or worth rupees 380. So this is verified. Total notes 12 plus 13 is 25. This is also there in the statement. So that means we have verified that our answer is correct. So what would be the final answer? 10 rupees notes number is equal to 12, and 20 rupees notes total number is 13. That helps us to give the answer to these questions. So very easy. Follow these steps and you will get your answer. Now let us take another example, and let us also do these 5 important steps to solve this problem. Now the box contains only 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin, and there are 60 coins together and their total value is, say, 210 rupees, then find the number of each types of coins. So this is the problem given. Now let's find the solution, and we will use the same 5 steps, and let's see how we will arrive at the answer. Step number 1, set the variables to the number of coins and let number of rupees 5 coins be x and number of rupees 2 coins be y. Now step number 2, what we will do, we'll first frame the first equation using the number of coins. So total number of coins becomes x plus y is equal to 60, which is equation 1. See, total 5 coins, 2 coins together make 60 coins. So this indicate the total number, and we can frame the equation from there as x plus y equal to 60. Now step number 3, forming the second equation. So here we'll consider the total value of the coins. Now that will become 5x plus 2y equal to 210, equation 2. Now step 4, we need to solving the above two equations. So we have x plus y which is equal to 60, equation 1, and 5x plus 2y is equal to 210, equation 2. Let's check for the conditions of the equation. A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 5, B1 equal to 1, B2 equal to 2, A1 by A2 1 by 5, and B1 by B2 is half. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So this gives us unique solution. That means we can get the solution from this problem. Now let's use the substitution method here instead of the elimination method to solve the above equation. What you will do? Now from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 60 or x equal to 60 minus y. This is equation 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation 2. So what is equation 2? It is 5x plus 2y equal to 210. Now 5 into x, 5 into 60 minus y plus 2y equal to 210. Now that will become to 300 minus 5y plus 2y equal to 210. Now that is, so what we are using distributing method, and here 300 is been moved from left hand side to right hand side. So we have minus 3y equal to minus 90. So y becomes equal to 30 after simplification, which is very clear from the from this video. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 60, so x plus 30 equal to 60, and x is equal to 60 minus 30, which is also giving us the value as 30. Now let's verify the above answer that we have got by solving it. Total value of coins 30 into 5, which is 150. 30 times 2 rupees coin is equal to 60, and if we add the total, it becomes equal to 210, which is given in the problem. And total number of coins 30 plus 30, which is 60. Again, this is also there in the problem. So that means our answers are perfectly right. So the final answer is 5 rupees. Number of 5 rupees coins is 30, and number of 2 rupees coin is also 30. So now the common mistakes that we generally do in the exam, that may be a CBSE exam or any other competitive exam, writing only one equations. Now always write two equations, that is total number and total value. That is one important mistake that most of the students do. So second is forgetting to multiply by the value of each notes. So in order to get the value, we need to multiply the number with the notes, the value of the notes, and then you have to arrive at the total value. So example, 20 rupees notes, 20 notes of rupees 50, and that is 20 into 50, and we should not write as 20 plus 50. So this is often we will do these mistakes. Now, mixing the variables, always define your variables clearly and never mixed the variable with one coin with the another before writing the equations. So these are the important mistakes we do. So please take care of it while you solve the problem. Now, important exam tips, we follow all the 5 important steps that we have also shown during the age problem. So here also, step 1, choose the variable clearly. Step 2, write the equation for total number of notes or the coins. Step 3, write equation for total number of total value of notes or coins. So one is the number of notes and coins, another is the value of notes and coins. Step 4, solve the equations using any method, either elimination or substitution, and then you verify it for your answer. So there are the 5 steps. If you follow, you will easily, you can able to score the full marks for this kind of problem. There are the 5 step methods, works for almost every questions in the board exam. Now, so a quick revision what we have learned so far. So let us summarize it. A, how to solve the notes and coins problems. Number B, how to identify the 2 variables for these coins or notes. Then how to write each of the equations based on the total number of coins or notes and total values of coins and notes. And number D, what we have learned, how to solve using different methods, elimination or substitution or cross multiplication. And number E is how to verify the final answer of the results. So I think, hope students you like this video. So in the next class or the next video, we will going to work on some more new kind of problems, and the main topic which we'll take is the shopping problems, which is again a very important topic. So if you like it, please share and subscribe with your friends, and let's meet in the next video. If you have any other topic, please leave it in the comment, and thank you.